Hey everybody, so I made a DIY workout bench. So I got a 6 foot 4x4, two of those actually, two 6 foot 4x4s. I already had the 2x12 and I had some deck screws. I got the metal supports and I had a hinge laying around in the shed. But I took the 4x4s to make the body and I had to measure it according to the bench that we had at the gym. I just wanted to make it about the same dimensions. That's up to you how you make it, but you definitely need the 4x4s. And I made those catches out of spare wood. That's on my squat rack. That's the squat rack. I have a video I'll link to that, how I made the squat rack. But at any rate, this is just a regular old bench. I can do bench presses and incline presses from this because I put the hinge on underneath. So that allows me to elevate it. And that's the 4x4. And I cut a groove in that. Obviously, you go half the depth of the thickness of the 4x4. So that's 2 inches in. And you see that cross there, that one sits inside of the other because I made a groove on the feet as well. And I just braced everything with those metal supports. I use deck screws. I wouldn't recommend using these deck screws because they didn't really fit properly against the plates. But at any rate, so I had a hinge laying around, so a big hinge, and the bottom section of the top there, it overlaps that hinge by maybe an inch or two, but that's okay. It didn't bother me. So I used like maybe the deck screws for the top were about, I want to say, an inch and a half or an inch and 3/4, and the deck screws that I used for the that went into the 4x4 sections, those were longer. They were about 3 inches. You see, that's the groove I had to cut. Those are the catches, so I can bench press off of this regular bench without having to do a whole lot because I already had the squat rack in place, and it works out. So just check it out. There's the groove again, and you make that with a circular saw. You cut the with a pencil. You line out the dimensions that you need, and I just took the circular saw and went across, several times and just basically kept cutting through little channels, and then I just knocked out the channels with a hammer and smoothed the bottom part out, and it was nice and flat. You can watch some videos about that, but just be careful. Those are my deck screws on the top section. Those are like the longer deck screws because they go into the 2x4. So just make sure you pay attention to the fact that the wood is kind of thick. So hope you like it. This works out for me. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.